primary goal was to improve the service to our customers, both in accuracy and timeliness. How quick we can respond to custom application needs, and then the accuracy and inventory control that consequently comes with that were the two primary objectives. With the Murray equipment system that we put in, we are able to do both of those in quicker response times that we can get to the field, the speed in loading our tender trucks, and then also the accuracy of the inventory controls are being accomplished. It's allowed us to streamline our management, it's allowed us to streamline our routing and scheduling, and in many cases, not all, we are serving customers the same day, whereas before that was not possible. My name is Greg Birchler, and I'm the operations manager for Gateway FS Incorporated. Gateway FS is part of the Growmark system. We're a regional cooperative. Gateway FS serves 5 counties within Southwest Illinois. We selected Murray equipment primarily because of their experience in the industry, our experience working with them in the past, and then the type of system that they employ using mass meters, and the automation control system seemed very user-friendly. We did look at different systems back in 2014, and once we built our facility at our Nashville location, there was no need to really go look at any of the systems for the Baldwin site that we currently built. So we had the advantage of knowing what worked and what didn't. And other than a couple of subtle changes to the building layout to make it work with the property for this site, we virtually changed nothing. So that told me we got it right the first time, which speaks well to both the efforts of Murray Equipment and the Gateway FS team that was involved in the design of these facilities. Murray Equipment does do a consultation, face-to-face, sit down, discuss needs, number of trucks we want to load, how many lanes we need, the inbound, outbound side of the product movements. And once that is done, then the system is designed, the physical equipment needs are put together, schematics are drawn, and budgetary numbers are established. Murray Equipment provided all of the valves, plumbing, pipe, controls, air system, and then obviously the electric control panels and the automation equipment. Everything from top to bottom to make the system run. So our outlying locations send the orders to the plant. The plant does the order fulfillment. Inventories are calculated and corrected, and then the orders are marked complete. They are sent back onto a server where the location that originally sent the order can pick that back up and bill it out to the customer. All of that is taking place with virtually no added labor. So what that means is we're running this location with basically 2 people. We have a person inside running the automation, and we have another person out in the plant taking care of day-to-day activities that are needed out in the plant. Bottom line is it works. They know what works. They make improvements upon that, of course, but there's very little experimentation. They understand rates, flows, all of the things that systems are capable of, and so our expectations are met, and we're never disappointed with a system that has been designed by Murray Equipment. One of the best examples I can give in terms of speed and efficiency and productivity is our ability to load a traditional 3,200 gallon tender truck in less than 8 minutes. The truck driver pulls into the facility, he gets out, he hooks up the supply hose, the person in the office starts the system, the product is all pumped and metered, it's bled down with air where everything that is run through the meter is pushed into the truck, the air is purged, the supply hose is disconnected, and the driver gets back in the truck and he's back out the door again in less than 8 minutes. That has improved our productivity tremendously. It keeps our sprayers moving in the fields and not sitting waiting on tender loads to arrive. We're tendering 4 sprayers out of this facility, whereas before we were doing that out of 3 locations. And the customer feedback that we've received thus far is their expectations are not only being met, they're actually being exceeded. We've got some customers that have seen tremendous improvements in terms of timeliness. Our experience with Murray equipment has been exceptional in a number of ways, but primarily their experience with this type of equipment, with the automation, and their attention to detail. And all in all, the process throughout the construction of this facility was very seamless. I would recommend Murray equipment to anyone that is looking for a modern, high-speed, high-efficient system for their liquid and custom application needs. Their design capabilities, their product lines, and the equipment that they've got available should allow them to design any system for any application, big or small.